We're back with another high-protein chicken salad. This Chipotle chicken salad is one of my favorites and has been on repeat lately. It's made with shredded chicken, celery, onion, and cilantro, all tossed in a creamy Chipotle lime dressing that has just the right amount of heat. We love turning ours into sandwiches with some creamy avocado, or you can serve it as a wrap or pair with your favorite tortilla chips. It's so good. If you haven't made my cilantro lime chicken wings, this is your sign to try them ASAP. We get asked for this recipe all the time and they are so good. The wings are marinated in a blend of cilantro, garlic, lots of lime juice and spices. Then I like to air fry mine to get them super crispy on the outside, but you can always bake them instead. Garnish with extra cilantro and try my pepperoncini tuna salad for an easy protein-packed lunch this week. This is our go-to tuna salad recipe. It's made with crunchy celery, green onion, pepperoncinis, and their juice, so you get 2 times the flavor with just a touch of mayo. Serve it with your favorite.
This sandwich is so dreamy because the chicken stays crispy with the sauce and cheese added at the very end. It's my favorite method for chicken parm in sandwich form, served on a toasted olive oil and Parmesan infused baguette. It might just be the best sandwich I've ever made, and I really hope you try this one. This is everything you love about In-N-Out in burger bowl form. My mom and I made it with grilled onions, French fry crisps, and a dressing inspired by their secret sauce, which I perfected by taste testing it side by side with the original. We hope you try this one. It's so satisfying and delicious.